Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily make your iPhone last percent still works on your iPhone. So for doing this, you just need to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find accessibility. So just open accessibility. Now you just need to find here display and text size, and now you just scroll down until you will see here color filters, and just turn on here, and here you need to choose gray scale. So now your iPhone become black and white style, but you know that it will save your battery for maybe answering some necessary calls or to some messages, and your phone will works more long than in just standard mode. So just use it and have fun. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.